YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Marianellyy. In today's video I will be showing you how I brush my hair with the Denman brush and how I diffuse. So if you want to see me explain how I use my Denman brush and how I use my diffuser, please keep on watching. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you watch this whole video and you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And I hope you like it and understand. And if you have any questions, you can ask me down below. So before we get into the video, I want to talk about a little bit about the Denman brush. So this is my Denman brush, and this one is a D3. This one has 9 rows of bristles. There is other Denman brushes. The other ones that I have seen have 7 rows. I also have seen people take this out because you can remove this, and when you remove this, you can take some bristles out if you wish. I've seen people that take every other bristle out. I really don't know the purpose of that. I actually like my 9 bristles, so I have not tried it, just because I think the more bristles, the more definition I get, because my hair gets caught in all of the bristles, so I just feel like that gives it more definition. So that's why I haven't even tried it. So if you have tighter curls, the Denman brush might shrink your curls, but it will also give you definition. If you don't like your curls to shrink and you like to keep the length, then maybe the Denman brush is not for you. But if you don't mind that and what you're looking for is definition, then I really recommend the Denman brush. Also, the Denman brush is not for detangling. If you haven't detangled your hair, this might actually give you knots in your hair if you haven't detangled. So I advise you to detangle before you use this comb. So in the next clip that I'm gonna show you using the Denman brush, I'm gonna show you me starting already half of my hair, just because when I was explaining it, there was a lot of background noise and I didn't want to have that in the video. So the next clip that you're gonna see, it's me already having half of my hair started. So I'm gonna get started now. Hopefully you guys understand and like this. Okay, so at first you want to do your hair in sections because it's way better and easier to work with. So here I'm applying all my products in my hair. A quick tip: the smaller the section of hair that you brush, the more separation of curls you're gonna get. And the bigger the section of hair that you brush, the bigger the curls you're gonna get. So I like to brush my hair away from my face. This will lift my roots and give me more definition. So what I do is brush and shake, and right before I let go of the curl, I like to give it a little twist, and this is just gonna give me a little more bounce and a little more definition. And here you can see how the Denman brush distributes all your hair product. And this is why I like it, because it saturates all your hair. So when you are done brushing the whole section, you want to give it a big nice scrunch. And by doing this, it will just give you more definition. With the Denman brush and without. Okay, so here I'm just basically doing the same thing I did to the other side. Remember, you want to brush and shake, and right before you let go, you want to do that small curve. So when you get to your hairline, you always want to brush behind. So keep your brush behind your hairline. This way you won't get any creases. And then remember to scrunch the whole section. The way I like to separate my crown area is by 3 sections, just because this will give me a lot of more volume on top. And here I'm just separating some curls that I think are a little too big and I like them to be a little separated.
People around here, happiness is near. Smile in the corner, you should see the owner.
Here at the top of my head, I like to brush all the way up because this lifts all my roots and gives me that volume I want on top.
Why this dream in my brain? In this happy city, happy city, yeah. Happy city, happy city, yeah. And I'm wondering again, why this dream in my brain?
So for the bang area, I always like to brush behind my hair. This way I don't have any harsh lines from the comb. Then here I like to do a little more curl separation. Then I flip it back and I give my hair a little shake just so all the curls can fall together. So my hair is ready to get diffused and I'm going to be using my old diffuser. And I'm going to be using the Conair. I had this one for a very long time, so I don't really remember where I got this one from. I think it was Target, and this is my favorite one. It's been working for me for a couple years. So the favorite thing about this is that it has a retractable cord, so I just press here and it retracts back inside. So that's why I haven't gotten a new one, just because I really like that about it, and for traveling it's actually very convenient. And for my diffuser head is this one that I mentioned in my Amazon favorites. I will link it, so if you guys are interested in seeing that video. So the way I diffuse my hair, I always have my settings at medium heat and medium air. I diffuse my whole hair like that till the end, and I'll show you what I'll be doing at the end. So how I start is by flipping my hair over, and I like to first start drying the roots of my hair because it does take the longest. Then I'll start working the ends and back up. So I'll be showing you guys. And also remember, when diffusing, you don't want to keep touching your hair because you don't want to give your hair any frizz. I always like a little bit of frizz. I don't mind it. But if you keep touching your hair a lot while you're diffusing it, then you're going to separate the curls and you're going to get a lot more frizz. So I'm going to flip my hair over. I have muted the blow drying sound so it's better for you guys to understand. So starting with my root area, I like to push my root area with my diffuser just to give me a little lift. And I do this twice around my whole head. And I do this till I start feeling my root area getting a little dry. Then I like to hover my diffuser around my hair just right before I start diffusing the ends. And for the ends of my hair, I do the same thing I do with my roots. I go around my whole hair twice.
Why this dream in my brain? In this happy city, happy city, yeah. Happy city, yeah. And
So after I feel that the back area has been a little bit dry, I flip my hair over and I start drawing the side of my head, keeping my head tilted over. Okay, so here is where I turn the air all the way up and I keep the heat at the same medium heat. All I do after is hover around my whole hair till it completely becomes dry, and if necessary, I will turn my hair over again and hover around the back section.
Sitting on my own.
So when my hair is completely dry, I'll get a little bit of oil and I'll spritz that all over my hair and scrunch a little bit and separate some curls if I think they're a little too big. And that's it for my diffusing process. Alrighty guys, so thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this was very helpful and that you understood how to use a Denman brush, or at least how I use it. And if you were thinking about purchasing one, maybe this helped out. So like I said, if you have any questions, please comment down below. And please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to turn on the notification bell to get notified when I upload a video. I am trying to upload at least once a week. So I hope you guys are back for my next video. And stay tuned for my wannabe model moments.